What is the dark web? The dark web refers to a hidden segment on the internet that is not indexed by conventional search engines and is accessible only through specialized software like Tor, which stands for the Onion Router. It is part of the larger deep web, which includes all web pages not indexed by search engines. The composition of the dark web. The dark web is comprised of various services and websites that offer anonymity to users and operators. This part of the internet uses a complex system of relays and concealed users' locations and usage from anyone conducting network surveillance or traffic analysis. Activities on the dark web. While the dark web is often associated with illegal activities, such as the sale of drugs, weapons, and stolen data, it also serves legitimate purposes. Journalists, whistleblowers, and activists use it to communicate securely and anonymously in environments where they may face persecution or censorship. How to access the dark web safely. Accessing the dark web requires caution and the use of specific tools designed to protect your identity and data. Number 1. Tor browser. The primary gateway to the dark web is the Tor browser, which anonymizes your web traffic using the Tor network. Number 2. VPN. For additional security, using a VPN in conjunction with the Tor browser can help further mask your internet activity. Number 3. Security software. Ensure your device is protected with robust security software to defend against potential threats encountered on the dark web. Number 4. Behavioral precautions. Be mindful of your actions on the dark web. Avoid sharing personal information, clicking on suspicious links, or engaging in illegal activities. Risks and precautions. The dark web poses several risks due to its nature and the type of content it harbors. Number 1. Illegal content. Engaging in illegal content can lead to serious legal consequences. Number 2. Malware. The dark web is rife with malware that can infect unprotected devices. Number 3. Scams. Due to the lack of regulations, scams are common. Users must be vigilant to avoid falling victim to fraudulent schemes. Number 4. Privacy. While the dark web offers privacy, it's not infallible. Advanced adversaries could potentially compromise anonymity. Staying safe. To stay safe on the dark web, follow these guidelines. Number 1. Use trusted sources. Stick to known and trusted sites to reduce the risk of encountering malicious content. Number 2. Keep software updated. Regularly updating your Tor browser and security software to protect against new vulnerabilities. Number 3. Limit sensitive transactions. Avoid conducting transactions that involve sensitive personal or financial information. Number 4. Educate yourself. Stay informed about the latest security practices and threats associated with the dark web. Conclusion. The dark web is a complex and multifaceted part of the internet. While it can be a tool for privacy and free speech, it also harbors dangers that require careful navigation by understanding its nature and adhering to strict security measures. Users can mitigate the risk and utilize the dark web responsibly. It is crucial to understand both its potential uses and inherent risks to ensure a safe experience. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that navigating the dark web demands a high level of security awareness and caution. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.